Hello everyone. So this is our platform. So this platform we have created is a fully serverless satellite driven vegetation monitoring platform. So we have created this platform to mitigate the key problem that occur that the current system don't have. So the current system are mostly manual and slow. That the existing solution of stress detection is manual, time consuming, and it isn't automated. And the accessibility gap, the interpretation of NDVI and the multiple spectral satellite imagery is complex and often accessible to most of the people. So to mitigate all those things, we have created this platform. So this platform is based on mostly three pillars. The first pillar is the serverless computation pipeline. The second pillar is the monitoring and analytics, the dashboard, and the third pillar is the scalable and cost effective architecture. So I'll give you a quick walkthrough. Along with it, I'll explain what all technologies behind this we are using in this architecture that we have created. The As you can see on the front end, we have used React along with TypeScript for type safety, and this map is shown using leaflet.js. And for data of images of specific area, we are using data integration layer as Sentinel Hub API, and for backend we are using serverless approach. So we have bunch of AWS services that we are using: the AWS step function, AWS lambda, AWS s3, AWS dynamodb, AWS SNS, AWS SageMaker, and so on. For all the things we are doing serverlessly, it is all serverless, it is all automated, it is all event driven. So I'll give you a quick walkthrough of how does our platform work and what output and what insights you can generate. So here we have this is the main dashboard we have. There is right now there is no region selected. There's a map shown. You can create a region and you can have different options of map. You can have heat map. There is also analysis button that does the analysis for you, and there is also yield prediction. This is where you can do analysis of NDVI. So right now there is also operation that shows uh, right now there is a email which get triggered whenever there is some satellite analysis done, and there is logs, and you can trigger an email, right? So I'll close this now, and let's start with creating a region. Let's create a region in let's say Yavatmal district. Let's create a region in Yavatmal district. Okay, so I've created the region. It will automatically take the region name and the everything analysis. You can configure it also. Then let's trigger the analysis. So once the trigger is started, the execution pipeline will take around 1 minute. You can see that the operation is going on in the logs, that there are operations that is going on. Like over here, this is running, kind of step function is running, the execution is being done, and this email will get notified with all the details of what analysis it has done. Okay, so if we and there's also yield prediction option, so it will automatically load the water content from using weather APIs and using Sentinel 2, and you can predict the yield prediction. And if you go to a mail, and you will find a email like this that alerts you if the NDVI is less than the threshold. So the optimal NDVI there is for a healthy crop it should be around zero point 0.2 to 1. So as you can see, there is a report generated. You can open this report, and that's how it is. Thank you.